Once upon a time, there lived a child in a white jungle. That girl name is Elizabeth. His life was filled with darkness, silence, and misery. Yes? Elizabeth is a child who was wasted due to permanent blindness that she suffered from birth. One night, Elizabeth was hungry because the food supply in her hut had he was blind. But he was very familiar with the way of circumcision. After she toured the forest, she finally found a jackfruit tree that has been fruitful and ripe. Because she was unable to take the fruit, she finally asked the monkey to help the tree Elizabeth. Monkey, it's you?
Yes, Elizabeth.
Monkey, can you help me?
I know. Surely you told me to take the junk fruit, right?
Yeah, monkey. I'm very hungry.
If you want to eat this junk fruit, you have to share with me.
I will share it later as your reward for helping me. This acting is fictional. Elizabeth will lie to him, just in case the monkey picked jackfruit that isn't too ripe. After being picked up, the jackfruit was given to Elizabeth. The app's estimate was wrong. Elizabeth immediately opened the jackfruit and then divided half and equally then given to monkey. With astonishment and happiness, the apes accept it, then sent Elizabeth home. When 5 steps farther from the monkey called Elizabeth. Thank you, monkey.
Elizabeth, wait! Come back.
What's wrong, monkey? Is the jackfruit I gave you lacking?
That's not Elizabeth. I pity you. You are good a person. You should not be like this. Do you want to see the beauty of Elizabeth's world?
Of course, monkey. But whatever my permanent blind power.
No, you can get well. If you want to see, you better allow me to kiss you.
What kind of medicine is that?
Elisa, believe me.
With the way of so that has been given to monkey with